Hey developers, this is Decryptante for you. Today we're going to talk about the 4 major technology trends that are being used across developers around the world. So without further ado, we're going to dive right into the 2 major surveys that were done. One is from Stackoverflow and the second one is from Pluralsight. So let's get started. So if you look at the report that was generated in May 2022 by the Stackoverflow, you can tell this was done by 70,000 developers. That's quite a lot, ranging from VPs and to associate developers or people who is starting to learn coding. So if we look at the developer profile right now, the demographic is like 25 to 34 years old people was the majority, right? So there was a lot of responses from the developers. So we look at the professional developers, again, the percentage of 25 to 35 to 34 years old were the major feedback that we got from those people. So by those 70,000 people, right? So most popular technologies, yep, for all the respondents, irrespective of professional JavaScript, this has been for the 10th year in a row, as written here. 2022 marks JavaScript's 10th year in a row as most common used programming language, which is really good. If we look at the professional developers, people who are actually developers, they still prefer JavaScript, yes. Also HTML, SQL, Python, TypeScript. So most of them are scripting languages. But when it comes to programming languages, we can see Java and C# are still the best ones, right? This is very important to know. So those are object-oriented programming languages, which are the top 2 programming languages that we have. When we look at the learning to code, so people who are learning to code, they are focusing mostly on the scripting language, as you can see here, and some are looking at C++, which are what they're trying to do is phasing out, and testing is taking for the place, like similar for microservices. We can talk about other tools like Docker services, etc. So yeah, that's very important. All right, so let's move to the second one, which is let's move to Pluralsight, guys. Pluralsight is another website if you guys don't know about it. So they've released a forecast, or 2022 tech forecast. If we look at the during the COVID or pre-COVID, let's have a look at the pre-COVID one. The pre-COVID one is telling you like the two major programming languages that people has been looking at and the career path, learning path. So C# and Java are the main ones. Again, those are very important languages and that you need. You have Angular for UI, and then you have the architecture technology. So during COVID, it's still the same: C#, Java, Angular, fundamentals of IT operations, which came out, which is very good. React, obviously React is kind of hard right now, so we are expecting that. So yeah, guys, those are the actual ones. And you can see the top key searches in Pluralsight skills pre-COVID and during COVID remains Python, Angular became C#, JavaScript is still there, Java is still there. So those are the main ones, actual main ones that people is looking for and will keep learning for those. Pluralsight is very expensive and also has been teamed up with a lot of organization, and you can tell from organization, professional developers, what they're actually looking for, and this is very important to look into, guys. Right, so stay tuned, guys. In this channel we're going to talk a lot about technologies, software development, anything related to tech trends. So stay tuned, follow for more, and we'll speak soon. Take care, bye bye.